next step is taking your work off the potter's wheel. We're gonna take our work off the potter's wheel onto the side table.
Okay, so first, we need to make a guideline where we're gonna cut. So put your fingers like this and make a guideline. Let's make it a little bit slower. Let's grab our string. Hold the stick of your string with your left hand and the other end with the right hand. And put it in the middle of the guideline you made. Like this. And release. And pull. And you can stop the wheel and do your hands like this. And we can. Ta-da!
That looks easy, but if you need any help, you can always ask your instructor who's going to be around to help you.
So that's the basic of pottery making. I hope you enjoyed your experience. Goodbye.
Bye.